Hi. So I want to answer a very common question that I get asked, right? So there are a lot of people who really are fascinated by tech industry. The fact that you can build a product without a huge setup requirement and you are able to reach to millions of users is like an absolutely very unique thing about tech and computer science in general, right? But the problem is they are fascinated to this, but they don't really particularly enjoy coding, right? Now, that is absolutely fine, right? Not everybody has to enjoy coding. I just want to make a quick point on that a lot of people tell me that they don't enjoy coding and they don't realize that they don't enjoy or they are a little fearful of it. One thing that all of you and I personally have realized is that once you get really good in something, that is the point when you can realize whether you enjoy it or not. Otherwise, you are generally fearful of learning something new, whether you will be able to do it or not. That automatically gives you feeling of uncomfort and the feeling that I might not like this. But once you get good at it, that is when you can really answer, do you enjoy it or not, right? So whenever you feel that I don't like coding, just answer this for yourself. Are you scared or do you really don't like it, right? If you're scared, I would suggest you to like push yourself, like continue on the path and actually learn it. It's a life skill that's going to be extremely important in whatever career you take. It's going to be extremely helpful to you. Second point, let's assume you are good at it but you're not liking it, right? Now that's absolutely fair statement to make, that I don't like it, I am really good at it but I don't like it. Now what are the options that I have in the tech industry? What can I do other than coding and still be part of the tech industry? So there are 2, 3 specific roles, right? Like few people who feel that they're extremely creative, who like to design stuff, should definitely consider becoming a product designer, right? You become an expert in UI UX. You become an expert on how users are thinking about stuff, what sort of UI UX they would like, what sort of, so UX means user experience, UI means user interface. The idea is that you are able to think through that when the user is here, what are they thinking about? What do they want to do? What do I do to minimize their effort in achieving what they want to achieve? So it's not just about designing, right? It's a very interesting problem that you will have to constantly think upon. So very exciting field, which is UI UX. Will require practice, will require you to work on multiple projects, maybe for free to begin with, then freelance with some people, and eventually get an internship and eventually get a job as well, right? So that is one area. One thing I can tell you is there is very few really good UI UX developers, UI UX designers that you will have around us. So definitely, if you get good at it, you will get really good jobs at par with your coder friends. That's not something that you're going to worry about. If you get really good at this, like the money you will get, this kind of work you will get will be extremely exciting, right? Second role that basically is something extremely important in tech industry overall is a product manager, right? It's a little different from UI UX. Product people, product managers are basically people who are thinking about what is the business goal that we want to achieve, what are the user problems that we want to solve. And they're not just thinking about a page, they're not just thinking about like one page, how do we make the experience here well, right? Like they're thinking about overall what the product should do, what sort of features we should have, what sort of features we should not have. That will definitely require them to talk to multiple people in the company. For example, they think of that, I want to give this feature, but other people tell them that this is not even possible, right? Like, so the product people have to interact with everybody in the company to make sure that the things that they're thinking about are actually doable, are actually things that will get prioritized. And they will have to constantly talk to the user to figure out what the user want and how can they solve that problem, what sort of features, right? So product managers, again, very exciting role. A good product manager is who is going to define like the direction of the product, right? So a product that a company is planning to launch, the success of it depends a lot more on the product manager rather than a lot of other people, right? So two roles that I'm telling you are extremely exciting for anybody who wants to be in tech industry but sort of feels that coding is not what they want to do. You should explore, do you have that creative mindset where you want to be designing stuff, you want to be thinking about the user experience? You can explore to be a UI UX developer, UI UX designer, or you can think of being a product manager. Both of these are extremely exciting and really pays well. All the companies require both of these roles, and I can assure you they are very, very hard to find. Really good UI UX developers, really good product managers are really hard to find. So that means if you get good at it, you will be in demand, right? Thank you.
For new programming updates and videos, subscribe to Coding Ninjas channel.